Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Discord voice chat in-game. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Discord voice chat while playing a game on Windows. First is to turn on your Windows PC and make sure it's connected to the internet. Open a browser and go to discord.com to download and install Discord for Windows if you don't have it yet. Launch Discord and log in with your account or create one if needed. On the left sidebar, join or create a server where your friends are. Inside the server, click on a voice channel like Gaming or General. Click Join Voice to enter the chat room. Open User Settings in the bottom left of Discord. Go to Voice and Video Settings and choose your microphone, input device, and headphone speakers output device. Test your mic with Let's Check to make sure your voice works. Scroll to Game Overlay in Settings and toggle Enable In-Game Overlay to On. Assign a hotkey to open the overlay while playing. Launch your game. The Discord overlay will appear when you press the hotkey. Use the overlay to see who's talking, switch voice channels, or unmute without leaving your game. And done, you can chat with friends in game using Discord's voice feature. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.